Hey guys, this is the car my fan just bought for $3,000. After buying it, he immediately regretted it, because this car has an unexpected and strange problem. Come and see. I start the car now. Did you see that? Car won't start. The car owner had no choice but to come to me. He said that if it really couldn't be repaired, he would take the car away and scrap it. Today we are here to see if we can help car owners solve this problem. I asked the car owner just now. The car is already very old. Why do we need to repair it? The car owner said, no excuses needed. Since he said so, then I must prove my strength. There are 3 reasons why the car won't start. Oil circuit, electric circuit, and air circuit. Check from simple to complex. Check the oil line first. Look, this one is the oil pipe. There's a connector here. Let's unplug this connector. Ask the owner to start the car and see if fuel is injected here. Okay, hold out. Use a bottle to catch it to avoid staining the ground. Come help start it. Good. Did you see it? Fuel injection is normal. Next, we check if the engine is igniting. Remove the spark plug. Look, the spark plug has been taken out. Next, ask the owner to start the car again. Check the head of the spark plug for sparks. Come help start it. Good. Did you see it? There are sparks. Engine and fuel injection are normal, but the car won't start. Then only the gas circuit failure is left. Speaking of gas circuits, I now suspect there is a part failure. Come here, look, that's it. It is an EGR valve, also called an exhaust gas recirculation valve. Now I suspect it's broken. Let's take it apart and see. It's very easy to remove it. Pull the plug. Okay, remove these 2 screws using a screwdriver. This gadget is very cheap and available everywhere. Good, remove a screw. Take out the screw inside as well. Okay, the screws have been removed. You can just take it out. Let's check it after we take it out. Good. The cause of the failure was found. Come here, look. Did you see that? Pay attention to the inside of the valve. The black stuff is carbon deposits. It has a thick layer and completely blocks the valve. Come and see this again. There is also a lot of carbon deposits. No wonder the car won't start. Now that the cause of the problem is found, solving it is simple. Don't rush to replace it to avoid wasting money. Put paper towels on the ground. Get another bottle of cleaning fluid. Clean the carbon deposits on it. Did you see that? So dirty. The EGR valve has 2 holes, one for air intake and one for exhaust. When starting the car, the valve should be closed and there should be no internal flow. But if carbon deposits jam the valve leaks during ignition, causing the mixture to be too thin, so the car cannot start. Okay, it has been cleaned. Look, all the carbon deposits inside have been cleaned. Then let's install it on the car and see if the car can start. Wipe all parts clean. Tighten all the screws. Finally, put the plug back in. Good. Now all the front parts have been installed. Next, I'll get in the car and start it to see if the car can start. Hey guys, if the fault is solved, please light up the red heart to support me. The next step is to witness the miracle of the moment. Look, apply the brakes. Come on, start up. Smooth start. Did you see it? Let's try again. Start up. Start smoothly. Very perfect. Look at the front. The fault has completely disappeared. Come and see. The power of the engine is also very strong. The problem has been completely solved. It's really simple, right? Follow me to learn more about car repairs.